What's up, fellow vapers? Welcome to Freedom Vaping World. Today we are excited to introduce something truly exceptional, the Alpha Zero. This sleek and powerful device brings next-level innovation directly to you. Can't wait to dive into its features. Let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at the packaging. The box is sophisticated, giving you a clear idea of the premium device inside. On the front, you'll find the Alpha Zero name along with key features like dual tanks, dual power modes, dynamic screen display, and mesh coil. It also highlights the 4 coolness modes and the generous 40,000 puffs. The sides highlight additional features, including adjustable airflow, and of course, there are important safety warnings on the front and back to keep you informed. Alright, now let's open it up. Rip the plastic bag open, and here it is, the Alpha Zero. From the moment you hold it, the design stands out. The glossy gradient finish with its snowflake-inspired elements gives it a cool, icy aesthetic. This is a device that's not just functional but visually striking. Then let's talk about the feel. The Alpha Zero has a rounded, ergonomic body that fits perfectly in your hand, offering a comfortable grip. Whether you're holding it for a quick vape or longer session, it feels natural and effortless. Besides, the double touch screen activation prevents any accidental presses, making sure you stay in full control while saving battery life. One of the most impressive features is the full dynamic display. With a vibrant interactive screen, it keeps you updated in real time on your e-juice levels, battery status, power modes, and coolness modes. As you adjust the ice intensity, the snowflake pattern dynamically changes, offering a visual cue for each level of chill. You'll always know exactly where you stand with every shift, ensuring a personalized and immersive vaping experience. The Alpha Zero offers a fully customizable experience. You have 4 levels to choose from: light ice, medium ice, heavy ice, and full ice, so you can enjoy your vape exactly the way you like it. And with dual power modes, you can select normal mode for a more relaxed heat or turbo mode for that extra punch. Plus, you can adjust the airflow with the slider at the base, fine-tuning it to your ideal draw. It's all about your exact preferences. Alpha Zero has 10 flavors: blue Razz ice, pink lemonade, strawberry kiwi, watermelon ice, strawberry mango, grape ice, double apple, cherry lemon, peach ice, cool mint. As for the specifications, the Alpha Zero features a powerful 700 mAh rechargeable battery with an impressive e-juice capacity, delivering up to 40,000 puffs for longer-lasting performance and extended vaping sessions. The device features the optimized mesh coil for a smooth, flavorful vape, enhancing the purity of your e-juice with every puff. So there you have it. If you are ready for the next level, the Alpha Zero is definitely worth checking out. If you like our product today, go check it out in our website. I'll leave the link below. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment and like us. For more freedom vapes, subscribe and stay tuned. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy freedom.